Welcome to STK FM, Mabuda Galuda, Global Kasi Flow. Past 11 Fondini up STK FM igama lami Mabuda Galuda Edwana is stronger and the show is Global Kasi Flow. Sipagla hour yokugqibela Fondini njengoba benchilo nathi beniphethe guest ke on this hour whereby we call it Mpuma Kapa Heatwave. So namhlanje andihambi ndedwa Fondini, ndihamba ne legend okay from here Port Elizabeth eMambozi sozungamanzi uzelameni eshumini kwenjwenjwe ngezandla Fondini. So vandaag ke samkela umntakwethu Tazela. Welcome Fondini to Global Kasi Flow Fondini. Thank you for blessing us ngokuthi ube lapha.
Sure Khotman malingisele kwabamameli to everyone ugcwala ngoTazela usekhona guys.
Yeah.
Lapha STK FM.
So Tazela, thank you very much my brother. So for umuntu ongakwaziyo kwaba ngakwaziyo ba who is Tazela and what is Tazela doing? Ungathi ngubani Tazela and usukaphi wenza ntoni?
uTazela igama lakhe lamanyani ngovuyo lwethu Davids yasiba sitsho ke Khotman uTazela uzelameni. He is an artist, event organizer, businessman, everything nje kule art uhlala kwazakhela. Mr. Dubulo Koko kuphela magazine from Eshomini.
Sure. Tazela, thank you very much for your generously. So Mkhulu, there's this thing that I know of kuthiwa artist Becky eniyenzayo noTakrona, which is a yearly event. I think kwinyaka wesine. Can you tell us more about your work as art? Let's say for umuntu ongayaziyo your work as art. What is work as art? And indoni umsebenzi wayo and aim indoni work as art.
Art is work is an event that is when the human Kruma featuring Neke, Society, family, Safari nezinye artist. Art is work iqala some established 2023.
Okay.
The reason why is because of we want the artists to take themselves serious and knowing that the art lena umsebenzi, that's why city art is work, so that now bayibone as part of umsebenzi okanye as something that can make you profit okanye living ngayo, bangathathi as a hobby. I know some of the people abenza art kubo hobby but kwabanye work, so that's why city art is work and siyenza ngenyanga ye workers month.
Yeah.
Because we made workers month South Africa only yazi that's why city art is work and siyenza qho ngenyanga yabasebenzi, so that now I'm like embrace lawo ba I'm a worker yabo.
Sure.
I hope even though mhlawumbe uithana is hope, but this is work. This art is work.
Indlela yobeka ukuthi etafileni.
Yeah. Art is work.
Wow. It's great man. So yonke lento it has to ba idibene ne art yodwa.
Yeah, I can say because art because actually vast
Sure.
whether you are drawing, you are painting, you are actor, that's art.
Yeah.
And most of the things that they include art, whether you like it or not. How we advertise on art, that's art because we create our graphics video. That's art. Art I shake. That's why.
One is into architect art there.
You might understand that one being a serious art, but tina one art is serious. So yeah.
I even saw that in the clothing ikhona phana kuthengiswa nempahla. There's a lot because it's partly nayo the art. Yeah.
But man xa ngala event ofuna baxele ngayo. Yeah. Kula event from 1 up until 5 yabo sitsho masixele ne-aim yethu. Our aim yabo is to bana whoever you want to inspire for Ghana, so that whenever kwi-artist okanye lo mntu umncinci that got talent ufuna ukwenza le art abone ba man there is uTazela apha eReni.
Sure.
So which is the way possible ingenzeka because uTazela ohlala elokishini umshita sekasi siyambazi simbona qho, which is xa yenzile nami ningayenza. And
Yeah.
then ne-artist okanye whoever loo mntu ukhulayo unalo art okanye nalo talente ufuna ukwenza lowo astart silapha ebantwini, that's why sizise ebantwini le way, because we've been doing shows kwendawo setown but ngoku sifuna uzise kasi, because ke most abantu basekasi qha ke ngoku yayazi msabantu basekasi bayasithanda wow babengenazinto, so now sizisa kubo if niphosile opportunity asiyazi
sure niyabakhetha and also nabantwana man,
Abantwana.
because what I've seen kule nto yeni it concentrates nasebantwaneni. For them bayazi bayi-art into eyenziwayo and ke ngoku nani nibakhulisa ngayo. I think ukuba mandi noba mandi mos bakhona ejumping castle yonke loo nto leyo.
lot laba kwi-games i-egg race siba face paint abantwana
Sure.
badlala ii-games and sabasifaka nasesikolweni ingqondo nje sithi
Yeah.
sabakhweza spelling BE owinileyo ndenza umzekelo kulaa egg race owine i-lunch combo umzekelo and last time awine whatever kweziyazi awina nento ndizohlamba like yabona like sizama nje unceda abantwana bayibone bayithathe serious le week
Babaseleke, yeah.
nabancinci ke bebhizinesi jump ekhasini and ke this time le ikhoyo le izabe ine-swimming pool yabo bawusisidudla okanye umkhulu
Ukuyaqutshwa this time around.
yaqutsha sithandazele wenza qha ibe-grand yabo
Sure.
be-grand masithandazeni ngicela sonke sithandazeni masicebelele.
So what are the highlights in terms of people that abazabe bephaya that would say acts ezabe zipha ezabapha?
Okay, acts zawuphana maqale ngeza outside udinile eminyanya is a poet.
Yeah.
Sibe breed from a trade to a rapper.
Sure.
And then the rest is a rapper but kwindawo is different. Also unsika is stand up comedian.
Okay, ngibone as MC undakwethu. Yeah. Great.
British D.
So nomsiki.
Nomsiki
Yeah.
Siphethe aba-rapper, siphethe vocalist.
Yeah.
Siphethe ne-poets Vovo, Kavisha. Yeah, and there's a lot man. If we can see posters as well, because there's needs artists.
Sure.
But then ngingaphoswa itikiti 60 rand ngingaphoswa.
Indawo.
Even kwaZakhele
Sure.
eMnyanda. If awuyazi eMnyanda, if uyakhwela mhlawumbe usuke eMotherwell uhlike eDaku, then from eDaku uthi uya eJali, then xa usejali uhlike eJali uzayibona pha. Ijali buhle bawungokwaZakhele uyayazi Jali, and then kwezastrato uthi uyemnyanda so ungasiwe ngo-driver pha. And even nathi sakwenza special for that day ibhodi ebhala Mnyanda because abantu abayazi Mnyanda.
Sure.
Yeah, iphanga kamizana if awuyazi kanye isikolo if seke wafunda phana yabo ngasebostile if ubuze isikolo esiyisixophana ngase sama mhlawumbe ahlike ka-usave yabo like uzohlela ndawo afuna uhlika kuyo but ka-usave kanye eJali uhle straight ngejali ungathi iqaqawo lemnyanda iyaziwe yabo ko-10
Yeah. Eshumini lo nto kwa-10.
ko-10 eshumini namba zabaqala ngo-10 yabo so that's why sithi seshumini
Ten banbana. No, great stuff. Phulaphula ngivile ke 60 rand itikiti ne?
60 rand free abantwana.
30 kaMeyi. Yeah. Thank you very much Mntakwethu. I want to speak about umculo ke ngoku Tazela. So Tazela, what is your type of music? How could you describe umculo wakho?
Umculo wami mntana i-rap. I-rap.
Yeah. Kukhona confusion kaloku ufundini amadoda espaza athi abanye bathola espaza nathi nziphosa wave ebene nenye sithi bethi isigagamfu yona enye siyathiya manje eshefu what does that mean
Eyabula andifuna uxoka mna ndifuna uphosisa mna ndiyarepa bayintontoni ndiyangena ndiyadiva xa kuloo ndikhoyo but andifuna uthiya gama isipaza neentontoni zonke mani hip hop mandithi ndi-under i-umbrella hip hop nakhaya.
So that's great my brother, that's great. Yeah. So kule ngoma wena Mntakwethu ubusandoninika yona apha I want you undicacisele ngale ngoma. What inspired this song and igama lakho sithini kanene? Wala ngotazela yatazela. So could you tell me about this song wena what inspired the song and if you can jump?
Okay. The song Mosi mandixele like as an artist ufuna kube nayo la brand yakho okanye la way yakho bizwa ngayo for example uyabona uthini ngopro bona kufuneka
yeah
something like that they create after into ezinjalo
as an anthem so yeah
so nami qobe man ndazama ngezinye azaphumele then ke intwana yami that day i-beat producer yami Prince bona ndayixela bafuna ingoma nezokwazi ucula ngomlungu ngegama lami bese emlonyeni
bengumntaba emlonyeni sisi
because xa ndibethe ezinye ingoma abasiketchup yabo but ke nenze izabalula ugcwala it's a language man yasikasi yagcwala ngamagcwala so ngoba ke no man mandifaka inyoka mandifaka ispice save abagcwala ngodazela so la ngoma lento yomntana ngosenza beat and umntana that beat uyayimamela it's a trap piano no piano so la genre yona kuthiwa i-trap piano yabo iyahluka naye kwi-rap trap piano yabo
lonke imix leyo ibize ngayo
piano so i-trap piano ugcwala ngodazela and then yoku that's what inspired me ndibethe la track because of nami ngifuna uba semlonyeni wabantu igama lami lihlale bagcwala ngodazela and ke
so right about now get Zela it's about to go down mzosiletela amagama mntakwethu i-freestyle yethu wena ofika ngayo because this is all about you we give you the opportunity to freestyle problem yeah kasi madoda global kasi flow with Mabuda Leluda now Zela man Fondini siphatheni freestyle without wasting any time masiye
problem. I guess I'm the problem. Sure, sir. Spetukamo. I guess I'm the problem. Zamuntul and push it proof and funny progress. Sure. Well, I don't see the progress. No, she can't let the poop and back a joke back my son. Hey, sure. I guess I'm the problem. Zamuntul and push it proof and funny progress. Sure. Well, I don't see the progress. No, she can't let the poop and back a joke back. Sure, cause I don't see the progress. Bye. Sure, I don't see the progress. Bye. Sure, I don't see the progress. No, she can't let you go back and jump back. Dalanzama, but I don't see the change. Send for no cooler now, kill up on your page. Scratching Sanshia, who my maggie age. And Kaleva comes and Shia, who my maggie age. Ha, now that you got be stressed. Cause I'm not moving, I'm feeling like I'm blessed. I'm a be patient to such a test. I'm a believer cause I say what's on my chest. Hey, sure. If I just strike up as to my call. Hey, if I just take up as to my call. Hey, I live with chamber as to my call and full of it to let chamber as to my call. Hey, cause I don't see the progress. No, the she can't let you poop. Hey, sure. Cause I don't see the progress. No, the she can't let you poop and back and jump in. Hey.
And that was a fire and a banger. Manika, I get what you're saying. I feel like when I'm going to there was one guy who once said that each was is like a dam. It's not a moving river. So whenever you are here, you're gonna be here also unless you move. I get you, Ndakasisi. I get you.
Oh, the progress. No, she can't go up and pick a job.
Apozenzeka khona.
Yesiqaleva kwamzashiya.
This is Zela Man for the Babukele. Zela Man, you can follow him on Twitter, you can follow him on Instagram, follow him. We are being a Zela Man. For the Zela Man with point. Zela Man with point. I get
yeah. It's Ibafunu Mongameli. The beat is produced by Prince Even Aliano, produced by Prince Ilona Yameshuwini, Ocha.
Zela Man.
Ibafunu Mongameli. Ibafunu Mongameli. Hey, Ibafunu Mongameli. It's not just the so but wasn't Mongameli. Ibafunu Mongameli. Hey, Ibafunu Mongameli. Ibafunu Mongameli. It's not just the so but wasn't Mongameli. Hey, Ibafunu Mongameli. Ibafunu Mongameli. It's not just the so but wasn't Mongameli.
hashtags khona zafonini sure ukusebenza ngenyameni ha sezolimala ukufuna nemabhozeni dithi zela I'm the president in the future dithi I'm the president in the future since back then sana ngoku ndisaphusha ndizivisa kamnandi ma-excuses azubutsha hayi bafuna umongameli sure hayi bafuna umongameli hayi bafuna umongameli president isasigcwele so bakwazi ungamameli dithi hey hayi bafuna umongameli hayi president bafuna umongameli hayi uhulumeni bafuna umongameli hayi isasigcwele so bakwazi ungamameli dithi bayafuna jonge impahla ziyadula babetha neyekula yendaba istraight bona idingi nerula bafake i-chip spray nanibetha ngequla ziva zithetha ngamsana ndimi ndadlula not turn back ngeminyaka ndiyakhula ndithi sure I'm busy chasing mula yanyuka ilevel andikochithi badula njengesangoma sifuna umhlola sanihleli ngiyabhula ungona nothetha yazi kuyanceda uthula hayi bafuna umongameli hayi bafuna umongameli hayi bafuna umongameli sure isithathu sigcwele so bakwazi ungamameli buda umongameli ayifuna hayi bafuna umongameli ayifuna hayi bafuna umongameli sure isithathu sigcwele so bakwazi ungamameli balwela ungamameli.
Wow, man. Yeah. And that was uStazela, man. Esithi mongameli mntakasisi
President.
uyivulile yabona ke ngoku uzawufreestyle ke ngoku Stazela. Thank you very much Stazela. Amazokuvala Stazela about the show and your music and everything that you feel that is in your heart ndakuthi.
Amazokuvala, amazokukhuthaza to the youth, to everyone who's doing the art. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Sumamela abantu sithe wathini because of abantu abayazi lento ungayo wena uyazazi ngisona funa ntoni. Keep doing whatever you are doing. Masiyeke art noba usesikolweni noba kwenza ntoni but keep doing what you are doing as long as unephupho unevision. Ungayeki ukuzama. Bayeka abantu bakhona abantu sowenza into right abancome so why ngoxa uzokwenza into right like so abantu bajonge into wrong man like ukuze bathethe but xa wenza into right soze bakulungise bancome so yeah so when I keep doing you ungaboya abantu like yeah ungayeki ukuzama man that's the word of the day word of the year word of the century
decade
yonke man until but ke ungayeki ukuzama yabo and even yami ke guys nge-30 kaMay phethe ugamo phethe uChroma wanepost
makazi ugamo futhi kusayena ngoma ngizakwenza freestyle wena
60 rand ticket guy eshumini kwazakhele hit me up le number 074 438 8738 for business ungantashele ezinye izinto
otherwise you're taken
no ticket 60 rand kwazakhele eshumini baleskanene ku TikTok Ntazela everyone Ntazela Facebook Velo Davis Ntazela kusecho Ntazela akekho omnye ngoku nawo search akekho omnye thank you guys.
Yeah man, and that was Ntazela Fondini uzela man ngama mntakwetisa mntakosukoyika
oyike kodwa ukhona eposting ngithembile uphuma emzansi
molweni we have ugamo Fondini nakwethu ndiyakwazi na ugamo kwathini which is unrelevant for now. Ungubani for the people that don't know you, what do you do, zithini Fondini chape ngawo.
Molweni kwabamameli ekhaya igama lami alwaba wakasani ukhwalo lo ngomuntu ngumlanjani ngusolvezi bayazi Zazela
abakhosa bayagqotha bengomama
ukhwalo lo
ukhwalo wenza ntoni? What is Khwalo doing apha elifini?
Apha elifini ndiyapusha u-9 to 5 ndayoqala but all in all I'm an artist. I'm a musician, I'm a songwriter, I'm a videographer and I am an editor.
Okay. Also saw you now about artist work. Yeah. Wenza ntoni napha uzawuthini yakho inxaxheba when it comes to out of la way?
I-artist work ke mna angiqali kuya ku-artist work.
Okay.
So it's going to be my third artist work, I think. And it doesn't. Yeah, it's going to be my third artist work. So I'll do what I usually do is to deliver my performance.
Oh yeah, rap. Oh yeah, rap. Oh yeah, rap. Play USB.
Yeah, that's a call.
Ilapha lena sikule mntu kuthengele we.
Okay, man, unikele USB.
USB ne. So what kind of music do you do when Ndabasisi?
I do a Xhosa rap.
Sure.
Do a Xhosa wave. Siyaphakamisa nje isibamba
Yeah. What do you know about Ispaza?
Ispaza ndikhule ndisimamela mna but abantu endikhule ndibamamela kakhulu bingoMoji no Mr Bean.
Sure.
Yabo amajita aseMotherwell. So ndiyaphakamisa napha isibamba naso eso.
Uchoose njani ba wenza this music rather than uthi iXhosa Ispaza? Why would you say I saw Spaza? Because we grow up as wonke umuntu oraphayo thina with Ispaza.
Yeah. It's the birth. It's the birthright. Yeah, man, it's the birthright. Xhosa trap yeSpaza. Yabo, it's just a new wave ngoku yabo. Lokhu fike thina ngoku Z.
Okay.
Yabo, so nathi sifika nala
putting a twist, and also there is a twist. A sauce, I wouldn't lie.
Sifika nala sauce yethu nathi yabo, like kodwa like all in all yonke le way isuka kwiSpaza.
Yeah.
Try to
What I would say when Atazila about this new generation.
Sure.
Ithathe Ispaza ne yafuna usi internationalize.
Yeah.
Basinika la international flag bamasekwazi ufikelela naseMelika nasendona sendona. No. Kanti ukuthi into ekamele bithi asitandi izokwazi. Utazokwazi leyo ndawo ukathatha ngale ngoma yami.
Azokwazi ungenamva.
Azokwazi.
So eshowini akwazi ungenamva.
Hey, Ansoaz. Hey, Ansoaz. Hey, makhelwane ngicela xa niphume endlini ubeka inyazi. The boy is very fresh, is very clean and I was sabamazi. Thatha nalikhasi bhala ungayenzi bawuyazi. Semakhanda ufere gama ugugulisha bawuyazi. First things first, thank God uqamatha. Uma kule ndawo uboy igame ayolanga. Namo ndiyabunyiswa ngikhwele level ngikhwele inhlaka. Bathi xa bengibona badlalelwa okwendaka. Samudrop i-ibe ekapheli nalo nyaka. Bawuthi uthwemba pheqeleha ndizawufaka. Hlale ubusini kodwa ebusuku mna ndiyafaka. Ungasondeli igqithi baby girl mna ndizaxaka. Got a lot of smoke so I'm out here burning calories. Can't fuck with your mans cause your mans think I'm an enemy. I don't give no fucks cause I know that it's that jealousy. Keep that hater talk away from me before you envy me. Baby girl look fresh, she a 10 but she average. I got full number, I don't know if she got leverage. Bitches these days, I want this was super selfish. I'm a bunch of boom long on my bench, I imagine. Shut up baby, dummy, that's my bro. Holding in my cup, you know I'm pouring up a four. Deja vu, feel like I didn't done this shit before. But this is not the cuddle that you know from before. Whoa, hey. Cause Ansoaz. Nah, Ansoaz. Yeah, Ansoaz. Azokwazi.
What is zonke sitawuzokwazi. Come on man, uyabulala Ndabasisi. This is a new HD play beat ya freestyle. Yeah. Ndabasisi, you are killing it.
Concrete.
So how long have you been in the industry, Ndabasisi?
It's quite been a while, but
It's
been a while, yeah. But I've been like disebenza on the craft
Sure.
and not really like being out there. Nobody out there 2021.
Yeah.
But after lockdown, 2020, 2021.
Sure.
Otherwise 2019 I was locked in. But some creative craft so that can be back out there. That was not relate.
Yeah.
For Ramachita Sasbangwe, Roman Zetu.
yabo genge nayo yabo
imizuzu Gamo
nje ba like isound kaGamo ikwazi ufikelela kumuntu wonke so
okumamazi ngini
mamazi ngile yabo bathi azokwazi bona bazokwazi thini andiyazi
thina nathi azokwazi ukunika ngeke so Gamo as uGamo ke what do you see as in terms of power phambili in the future ubona uGamo eyintoni umbona Steve?
Okay, like uGamo mna ndibona as a performer yabo I want to take my music to larger stages yabo other than artist work maybe to a one room yabo
sure
because I feel like that's where audience needs a corner apepa yabo people by bege imehlo in one room so so this year I'm planning to
artists figure out
like xa sithetha nge-short term goals this year I'm planning on going to one room now and ndisebenzele ungena ku one room
to perform with somebody okanye just to have your own show because it's easy also to have your own
even if it's like having my own and even if like I have to join other people and be in the lineup and
just to be on stage
one room ndibone nangabanye abantu abangahlaliyo apha eGqeberha.
So Gamo I want to apologize ngalelo ne ixesha leshile yabo 56 but you still gonna be here uhlala up
sure.
So we're gonna play umculo wakho as ixesha yabo. Thank you very much. Amazwi onowathetha kumuntu oziphuphelayo as in kwi-art.
Don't stop believing. Lento nami ndaqala iliphupho nakum even ngoku nabantu bayancoma baye Gamo you took this way too far yabo is because I never stopped believing in uGamo. Nangoku uGamo ulapha because like can't stop believing on uGamo and thatha yonke opportunity phambi kwakho.
Nawe eligama lithi Gamo uzethi
Ferragamo.
Kale utheni mfondini sozwela lithi Ferragamo.
Ferragamo Italian brand yabo so kulela xesha lamaTaliyane ke mna ke nesibotane so like
uzenze stress zone nozala
ngixelela so
like nento
Ferragamo namthatha since that time lawe yabo so ndabamba
ndasisi. Thank you very much man for putting up the freestyle we still need it yabo
nobabu next week
and please Zayla I also said this we're starting this yabo so it's going to be like that yabo whenever you pull up here uzofika uhleke apha now you're going to pull up ibhazi and usinike odumenga kade udumenga lo way that's why ulapha yabo so thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Well Zayla also Pagla show you're going to be selling things everything I don't want to be long ndibemde ndimabuda the Lord intwana is stronger intwana nemasses ehloko ndifuna uyivala manje inkqubo ndithi thank you to each and everybody othe wamamela namhlanje. Also we are continuing next week and I promise next week we're going to fix a lot of things bekhona nje amaginxiginxana asisokolisileyo namhlanje kodwa next week it's going to be better. I'm going to bring about 5 artists that is all pull up freestyles. So I know that I don't know a lot of people so bazofika. So from Mabuda the Luda Idwana Estrongo and STK FM I'm trying to say thank you and Nkosi kakhulu guys for joining, commenting and engaging kuyo yonke lonto leyo from me and the nesikhululo sisonke mfondini dithi wave